Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best shower gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to celebrate an upcoming arrival, offering a chance for friends and family to shower the parents-to-be with practical items and sentimental keepsakes that will be cherished for years to come, setting them up for success as they embark on this incredible new chapter of their lives. Number 5. Avidlove Women's Satin Lace Chemise Nightgown. Discover the Avidlove Women's Lingerie. Crafted from luxurious satin and delicate lace, it offers unparalleled comfort and a touch of elegance. Featuring a flattering V neckline, this chemise enhances your natural silhouette. It's designed to make you feel beautiful and confident. This piece doubles as a charming baby doll and a sophisticated full slip. Its mini length adds a playful yet alluring appeal. Indulge in the soft, smooth feel of our premium sleepwear. Perfect for a restful night's sleep or a romantic evening. We believe everyone deserves to feel fabulous. That's why this beautiful nightgown is available in a wide range of sizes, from S to 4XL. Embrace your sensuality with this exquisite piece. It's designed to make you feel as good as you look, day or night. What we like? Experience luxurious comfort with this satin and lace chemise. Its elegant V-neck design adds a touch of sophistication. If you're looking for a classic and sensual nightgown, this is a perfect choice for a romantic evening or a special occasion. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any bathroom. The shower head has multiple spray settings, providing a customizable experience. Number 4. Botany Brown Sugar Body Scrub. Experience the gentle yet effective exfoliation of our brown sugar scrub. It buffs away dull skin, revealing a smoother, brighter complexion. Infused with nourishing ingredients, this scrub deeply hydrates your skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, supple skin all day long. Our unique formula helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It promotes a more youthful look, making your skin appear revitalized. Struggling with acne? This scrub is designed to help clear pores and reduce breakouts. Achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin with regular use. Use it on your body, face, hands, and feet for a complete skin transformation. It's the all-in-one solution for your skincare needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This luxurious scrub is perfect for both men and women. Give the gift of radiant skin to someone special. What we like? Indulge in the natural goodness of brown sugar for soft, radiant skin. This scrub effectively moisturizes while sloughing away dead skin cells. If you desire a smoother, clearer complexion and want to combat signs of aging, this is an excellent option for both men and women. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It has a compact design that fits well in small spaces. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Transform your ordinary shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Experience the uplifting power of premium citrus essential oils. Let the refreshing scents awaken your senses and invigorate your mind. Searching for the ideal gift? These make thoughtful presents for Father's Day, birthdays, or anyone needing a little self-care. Unwind and de-stress after a long day. Allow the soothing aromas to melt away tension and promote deep relaxation. Enjoy a generous 15-pack, ensuring you have plenty of moments of tranquility. It's a simple way to indulge in self-care. Treat yourself or a loved one to a premium self-care experience. These tablets are designed to enhance your well-being. What we like? Transform your shower into a spa-like sanctuary with these aromatherapy steamers. Infused with invigorating citrus essential oils, they promote deep relaxation. If you need to unwind after a long day or are searching for a thoughtful self-care gift, these are ideal for creating a calming atmosphere. What people say. The shower head has a sleek design and multiple spray settings, which is great for different preferences. Easy to install and feels very sturdy. The water pressure is excellent. Love the handheld option, makes cleaning the shower much easier. Number 2. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy Blriet Gifts. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents transform your space into a personal spa. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful presents for women, teens, wives, moms, grandmas, and anyone who deserves a little pampering. From birthdays and Mother's Day to Father's Day and just because, these are perfect for any occasion. They're also great as basket stuffers or travel essentials. Bring the relaxation of a spa right into your own bathroom. Enjoy a moment of self-care and unwind with these delightful aromatic experiences. Indulge in a little luxury every day. These steamers add a beautiful fragrance and a calming ambience to your shower, making it a truly refreshing escape. Experience a range of delightful aromas designed to calm your mind and rejuvenate your senses. It's a simple way to enhance your well-being. What we like? Elevate your daily routine with these delightful aromatherapy shower steamers. They offer a wonderful way to de-stress and enjoy a home spa treatment. If you're looking for a versatile gift for any woman in your life or want to add a touch of luxury to your own bathroom, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 1. Kitsch Exfoliating Glove, Leopard. Tired of dull skin? Discover the secret to a radiant complexion with our exfoliating glove. It's designed to gently yet effectively remove dead skin cells. Experience a deep cleanse like never before. This mitt buffs away impurities, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and revitalized after every use. Harness the power of Korean beauty secrets. Our specialized fabric works wonders in the shower or bath to transform your skin's texture. Say goodbye to dead skin buildup. This body scrubber makes it easy to achieve a smooth, polished finish all over your body. Achieve that coveted silky smooth skin you've always dreamed of. Regular use will reveal a brighter, healthier looking you. Add a touch of style to your routine with this chic leopard print glove. It's as effective as it is fashionable. What we like? Achieve incredibly smooth skin with this Korean exfoliating glove. It provides a deep scrub to effectively remove dead skin cells. If you're aiming for a silky soft complexion and want to enhance your skin's texture, this is a must-have tool for your shower routine. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.